Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to Activity Lab. It's a hot day today, so let's do an activity that will cool us down. So, for this activity, you need some half and half, some vanilla, some sprinkles, and of course, some sugar, some salt, a large size, a gallon size Ziploc bag, and a quart size Ziploc bag, and some mittens or gloves, kitchen gloves. So, and of course, you need some ice. You guessed it. What are we going to make? We're going to make some ice cream. So, I have my ice here, and I'm going to put some salt in this. A quarter cup of salt. This is kosher salt. And to this we add, then we in another bag we will put some milk, a half cup of half and half, and we'll put some vanilla in it, a quarter teaspoon of vanilla, and a tablespoon of sugar. You can use any sugar that you have at home. Doesn't have to be any special kind. So put some sugar, give it a mix, and zip it tight. You don't want it to spill. Now we put this milk bag in this ice bag. And now you have put on your mittens or your gloves, and we are going to shake it for 5 minutes. Now what is happening? Do you know? Adding salt to the ice lowers the temperature at which the water freezes. You will notice that the ice melting in also is making the milk freeze. Shaking the bag allows the warm cream mixture to move around to allow for better freezing. Plus, it also creates a little air that makes the ice cream fluffier. Now we have to find out, is ice cream a liquid or a solid? Well, homemade ice cream starts off as liquid and then changes to solid, but it can go back to liquid when it melts. Try this experiment at home using different kinds of milk and see if it works the same. And also try it with different kinds of salts. If you just use your regular cooking salt, sea salt, or iodized salt, will it be the same? Because for this experiment, we are using kosher salt. So, by the magic of television, I have some ice cream already here, and I'm going to add some sprinkles to it, and I can eat it just right out of the bag, or I can spoon it into this bowl. So here it is, my ice cream. Isn't it going to cool me down? So try this experiment at home with some fruits maybe. You can put some fruits on your ice cream, like mangoes or have blueberry ice cream, or just add chocolate chips. Mmm, this is delicious. Mmm. Thank you for watching.